Go.
Game picks off and we see 71-96 try to make a shot, and they do. 28-32 lining up, and they hit it. 43-27 is sitting right next to their speaker. Another shot goes in the blue amp. We see red rushing back to theirs. That's Bedford Express making a shot. Moving into teleop mode, we have movement from all 6 robots on the field. A little near collision near the midfield. Gems trying to pick up a note. 71-96 makes a shot in their amp. Bedford Express, that's 10-23, is lining up to that red amplifier, and they nearly make it in. 28-32 going under their stage, and we have a torn note on the field. 43-27 trying to get a note right next to their amp. 43-62 giving them a little hand. 28-32 lining up in the middle as we see Bedford Express trying to grab another note right next to that red speaker. Notes are flying all across the field here. 28-32 handing off towards that blue amp. Bedford Express makes an amplification. Near miss in the middle of the field as 43-62 starts to line up at their speaker, making one in. Bedford Express puts another one in that amp. Collision here in the middle of the field, pushing up against each other. Another note's thrown over to that blue amplifier. Bedford Express still shooting in that amplifier. Note goes out of the field. Nice catch by the ref. 75-98 lining up at their source, trying to grab a note from their human player. See another pushing match right in the middle of the field, 28-32 and 71-96. Note goes flying towards that blue amp. The Gems trying to clean up and put it in their amp as 75-98 lines up at that red speaker. Another note shot right out of the field, a near miss from 75-98. 38 seconds left in the match. Another note goes over and very nearly makes it in the field. Gems line up to take a shot at their speaker. Still trying over at that blue side. 3 robots right up against that speaker. And that marks the start of our endgame period. We see another shot in that red speaker. A high note goes flying. 2 robots lining up to climb on both sides. Make that 3 on red. With 5 seconds remaining, we have 1 robot in the air. And make that 2. The match ends with 3 robots on the ground and 3 in the air. And it looks like we have some scores. And it is a win for the Blue Alliance, a score of 48-41. Good job to both alliances.